Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to look at the top-rated hairdryers in the UAE market for 2024, including the number of reviews and rating percentages for each product. To avoid making the video too long, you can find the pros and cons as well as the best price for each product in the full article that its link is in the description. And make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Now, let's start with the 6th rank, which is for the Revlon hairdryer model RVDR5305, with 120 user reviews and an average rating of 4.4 out of 5. And the 5th product on the list is Panasonic hairdryer model EH-ND65, with 270 user reviews and an average rating of 4.4 out of 5. Then, the 4th rank is for the Xiaomi hairdryer model H300 EU with 370 user reviews and an average rating of 4.6 out of 5. Next, in the 3rd rank is the Philips hairdryer model BHC-ZU1013 with 2,400 user reviews and an average rating of 4.4 out of 5. And the 2nd product on the list is the BRAUN hairdryer model HD580 with 2,800 user reviews and an average rating of 4.2 out of 5. And finally, the number 1 on the list is the Babyliss hairdryer model D2112 SDE with 3,900 user reviews and an average rating of 4.4 out of 5. To check the specifications, pros, and cons of each product, read the full article through the link mentioned in the video description. And to purchase the product at the best price, we advise you to visit the article as it is regularly updated with the best prices. And if you own any of the products mentioned in the video, leave us your comment with the most important pros and cons from your perspective so that it becomes a reference for others if they are looking to buy this product. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to follow our latest exclusive reviews. Thanks for watching.